Another round of the flu is emerging this season, but this one has the World Health Organization jumping into action. China.org reports Saturday 3 cases were confirmed as a human infection of H7N9 avian influenza, a strain of bird flu. The victims include an 87-year-old man in Shanghai who got sick February 19th and died March 4th, a 27-year-old man also in Shanghai who became ill February 27th and died March 10th, and a 35-year-old woman in the Chuzhou city of Anhui who became ill on March 9th and is now in critical condition. She's known to have had contact with poultry before she became ill.
What's alarming is that it appears that all 3 of them got the flu separately from each other. The World Health Organization, of course, has been notified.
According to China's National Health and Family Planning Commission, all 3 became ill with coughs and fevers before developing pneumonia. This strain of avian flu is not known to have been transmitted to humans before. The South China Morning Post says the symptoms are the onset of early respiratory infection, but then develop into severe pneumonia. Chinese authorities urge citizens to avoid direct contact with poultry and birds and their droppings. Another strain of bird flu, H5N1, has led to more than 360 confirmed human deaths since 2003 and the deaths of tens of millions of birds. According to the BBC, the World Health Organization says that most avian flu viruses do not infect humans, and the majority of H5N1 cases have been associated with contact with infected poultry. China's Center for Health and Protection says if someone comes into contact with poultry, they should be sure to wash their hands thoroughly with soap and water. For Newsy, I'm Zach Toombs. Multiple sources, a broader view.